So things to remember whenever we set our ladder, whenever possible, you want to look for the nails for the gutters and try to put your ladder up straddling those nails, because that's the spot where it's least likely to bend in and damage the gutter. First thing we do when we're coming up the ladder, we're looking at the eaves, looking at the fascia, check out the gutters a little better. Great time to get a little closer view. Then we're coming up on the top side, looking to see if it looks pretty level or if it's substandard slope. Of course, we're looking to see if the gutters are full, and this is the best time to take an opportunity and just pick up the roof material if possible. We're looking to see if it's got rot in the sheathing on the lower edges. Also looking to see if there's more than one layer of shingle. Then we just take this time to give ourselves a look over the roof, and if it's safe to do so, then we climb up on top. That's all for now.